Alright, so here are the answers for all the problems. However, before I show you these, the one caveat is, remember, you're only supposed to look at these after you try and do the problems yourself. Alright? And that's not because I'm concerned about you just copying down, but it's about the learning process. Is that your brain will not learn as deeply if you look at the answer and then do it, versus if you force yourself to struggle and try, and then when you think you have an answer, to check it afterwards. So these are meant to be the last, kind of your last thing you check, not the first thing you check. I'll scroll down through these and you can pause the video as you need to slow it down. And then what I want to point out about this answer right here is that for some of the structures, you'll see that you can draw multiple structures and they can all be correct. So what matters again is just those two rules. One, have you used all valence electrons? And two, is the octet rule satisfied for each atom? And you'll see that both of those are satisfied in these two structures, so therefore both of them would be equally correct for this class. And then for these last ones, I'm actually not going to give you the answer, so you're forced to try to think of some on your own. You can work with each other today, but I will tell you that this one, for example, is one example of a structure that is not possible. So as I say right here, some of these structures you may not be able to do, and I want you to kind of think about that and struggle with it and be confused by it and talk to other people, right? Sometimes you may not be able to draw one because you just don't know how to draw it. You still got to go with the drawing board. Other times you may not draw it because it's actually impossible.